In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to create pages for your WordPress website and also make a menu out of them. This is a fresh WordPress installation. I don't have any pages yet and I don't also have a menu. So I want to show you how to create those pages and also create a menu as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to create your pages and also make a menu as well. Keep watching.
Hello guys, this is Sonic here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
So to create my pages, I can go to Appearance, then click on Customize, or I go over to the front end of my website, then I click on Customize from there. Next, I go to Menus, then I click on Create Menu. I give it a name, Main Menu, and I want it to be my primary menu, so I select Primary Menu. Going down, I click on Next. Next, I click on Add Items, and in here I can add my pages. So I just go ahead and click on Add New Page, then I type in my page. I call the first one Home, then I press Enter. It is created and it's a page. Take note, earlier I have this home, which is a custom link. So this is the main page and that's what you are seeing in here. The next page I will add is About Us. Hit Enter. Services. Hit Enter. Pricing. Hit Enter. Blog. Hit Enter. And the last page, Contact. Hit Enter. So I have all my pages. I can rearrange them the way I want. So maybe I want blog to come down here. So I'll have Home, About Us, Services, Pricing, Contact, and Blog. And you see them display in here. Awesome. I just go ahead and publish. Then I exit from here. And I have my menu in there as well as my pages. So this is the home page, About Us, Services, Pricing, and the rest. So this is the quickest way to create your pages and also make them a menu. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next one.